Guys, say hello to the camera.
Good morning, welcome to my channel. It's been raining few days. Now it's open up. Now the molting very heavy, so I lock them up. Only 4 babies. We still training. They haven't started the mold. They're very young though. We're just going like 200-300 meters from my house. I'll let them go. That's it. They're going far at the moment. One direction we did 4 toes already, 5 toes. And now I'm gonna go different direction and let them go from there. Okay, let's catch them and put them here. That's the first one. At 5. Just around the face, basically. That's the second pie. Looks like female to me. He's not been quite yet. It's good. Okay, let's start molting. Looks good and healthy. Can go in. There's 2 I put from fly. That's from the overcock. He start molting though. When he go to the last 2, we stop. Fly him. Let's fly good. Very skinny though. It's my favorite pigeon in the loft. Nice color on him. Can't see. But he's been attacked by hawk 2 times. Then I stopped training him. Now he's gonna stay with this group. He has to fly. He can't hide. Whenever he sees a hawk, he just take off. That's no good. We put in basket and then we come. The other pigeon will come back home and we fly them. Okay, they can stay there.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today we will be releasing more birds. Hello. Guys, say hello to the camera. You want to? Really? So today we are going to release them. It's going to be so fun. I'm going to release them on the count of 3. Count with me. 1, 2, 3.
Yay!
Good.
Go other side. Good.
Bye-bye. 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 You didn't even say bye. So mean, huh? They didn't even say bye to us. Wow.
I'm going to give them some cabbage and some apple. Let's open the breeding pair, and then we see that all 4 of them I saw they was flying around here. They must be home. It's good to see they come back home. One is here, one sits on the side. The red one, it trapped already. Okay. All 4 of them they come back home. You can see 1 trap in, maybe 3 somewhere here. I just open the breeding cage. They can go around, fly. I'll let the breeding cage fly. Let's have a look on the dark checker baby. This looks good. Similar color like the last one. Going up good, no trouble. Yeah, that's good. That's the white pair baby. I have only 1 pair left, the white one, the good one. That's the baby from that one. The 5 pair is helping me to raise this baby. It looks good too. Still hang on the ring. I'll put the club ring this time. Okay, let me get them feet. I'll lock them up, and today I'm gonna get the bath everyone. See how quick the breeding pair will come in. Now we're gonna fly them. Let's fly. Let's see how they do. That is the second baby, which one I just saw now. I put on the different pair. Yeah, the pattern is same. Nice silky soft fur. I like that way. I just let the fly, which one wants to fly. I call them in soon. Not too much pressure. I can see this hen still here because we dropped the few feathers together. They want to fly. It's okay. And that's my more younger one. And see, he's sitting on a big egg. So I don't force her to go out. You see Honor? Say more than welcome to fly. As soon as they dropped on, I'll just call them in for the food. I'll just make small one ready for the. There's only 4 people there. I'll make the bath ready. As you can see, water looks a bit dirty. I'll mix something in there. Somebody suggests me for the place or just good for the wing. Okay, if I got the good result, I'll share with you guys what I got. Mix in there.